Short-term rental hosts should stick with Airbnb. Here is one reason why. Avoid Booking.com. Thousands of European hotels unite in landmark lawsuit against Booking.com. In a sweeping legal action that could reshape the hospitality industry, over 10,000 hotels across Europe have banded together to launch a class action lawsuit targeting Booking.com, accusing the platform of imposing restrictive and unfair conditions over the past 2 decades. What's at stake? The legal claim centers on the use of so-called best price or parity clauses. These clauses obliged hotels to display the same room rates across all booking channels, including their own websites, effectively preventing them from offering better deals elsewhere, thus limiting pricing autonomy and suppressing competition. Why now? The suit builds on a decisive ruling by the European Court of Justice, ECJ, in 2024, which found that such parity restrictions breach EU competition law, and the lawsuit seeks compensation for financial losses spanning from 2004 to 2024, a period when Booking.com enforced these clauses. Who's leading the charge? The legal drive is spearheaded by HotRec, the Pan-European Association for Hotels, Restaurants, and Cafes. More than 30 national hotel associations, including those from the UK and Ireland, are backing the action. The registration deadline for hoteliers to join the lawsuit has been extended to August 29, 2025, reflecting strong interest from across Europe. Booking.com pushes back. Booking.com has challenged the lawsuit, calling the claims incorrect and misleading. The company asserts that the ECJ ruling did not automatically label parity clauses as anti-competitive, and insists that each case must be assessed individually. Booking.com also maintains that its parity policies fostered competition rather than restricted it. In support, the company cites a poll showing 74% of hoteliers felt Booking.com improved their business profitability. Why hotels say it's time to fight back? Many hoteliers argue that, as Booking.com's power grew, so did its influence over pricing. One representative from a French hotel association noted that for a €100 room, hotels often ended up with just €75 after deducting Booking.com's commission, underscoring tight margins and growing frustration. Despite these tensions, Booking.com remains a dominant force in the industry, controlling an estimated 71% of the European online booking market in 2024. As one legal expert put it, the lawsuit reflects the hotel sector's growing resolve to challenge a market structure that leaves independent hotels beholden to digital giants. The lawsuit involves 10,000 plus hotels across Europe, coordinated through HotRec. It's based on an ECJ ruling that parity clauses violated competition law. The class action seeks compensation for losses from 2004 to 2024. Booking.com denies wrongdoing, saying clauses promoted competition and weren't deemed inherently illegal. The action signals rising resistance from hotels toward OTA-dominated dynamics.